Ever had a bowl of chili that sparked an explosion of flavors in your mouth? The beauty of chili lies in its uniqueness, its ability to bring people together over a hearty meal and spark passionate debates on the perfect recipe. Chili is not just a dish, it's an experience, a culinary journey. And every February 22nd, we celebrate this iconic dish on National Chili Day. Chili, the ultimate people pleaser and the ultimate cook-off dish, always brings everyone to the table. Ever wondered how popular chili really is? Well, we've got the numbers to show you just how much. The National Today data science team took it upon themselves to ask 1,000 people about their feelings towards chili. And guess what? A whopping 68% confessed their love for this spicy dish. Now that's a lot of chili admirers. And it's not just about the age or the region. This comfort food transcends boundaries. From the young to the old, East Coast to West, chili is a beloved part of meals. It's almost like a bowl of chili has become the universal language of comfort food. So it seems chili has a pretty big fan base, doesn't it? But what makes chili so irresistible? It's not just the tantalizing blend of spices, the hearty beans, and the tender chunks of meat that make this dish a beloved favorite. It's the experience that comes with it. Chili is the ultimate comfort food, warming us from the inside out. The moment you walk into a room filled with its spicy aroma, your senses awaken and you're drawn to the communal pot. Chili night is more than just a meal. It's an event, a gathering of friends and family. Each spoonful is a shared moment, a connection. Chili, a simple dish that warms your heart and brings people together. Now that's something worth celebrating on National Chili Day.